If you have a ripe or overripe plantain in the house and you don't know what to do with it, or you're even thinking of trashing it, just hold up because I am going to show you what you're going to do with your ripe or overripe plantain with just two ingredients, your plantain and water. So keep watching. You'll be needing a jar like this, depending on the amount of plantain that you'll be using. And if you don't have a jar like this, you can as well use bottle that has a very tight fitted cover and make sure it is properly washed and sterilized and then set that aside. Properly wash your ripe plantain. Emphasis on properly wash. Make sure that it is very clean. So take your time and wash the peel. No, we won't be using the peel, but we need it to be clean so that we don't contaminate what we are going to do with it. Because this production doesn't require heat, so there won't be any cooking or whatsoever, so you make sure it is very very clean. One of the reasons why I also said your jar should be properly washed and sterilized so that you don't get it contaminated. After peeling it, go ahead and chop the plantain into smaller pieces so that it will be easy to get into the container. If you are enjoying this content and you're learning from it and you also love DIY, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you are not subscribed yet. And also watch out for more content and more DIY just like this one. And also don't forget to leave your notification bell on so that anytime that I post content, you will definitely be notified. Thank you. There is love in sharing, so make sure to share too. So don't forget, if you'll be using a bottle, because of the mouth size of the bottle, make sure it is very, very tiny. After chopping it, transfer it into your jar or your bottle and cover it up with water. Make sure that the water you add covers your plantain very well. In my own case, I'll be adding more water because I don't want it to be like very conk. But if you want yours to be very concentrated, it's okay. Just make sure that the water covers exactly a little bit more than where your plantain stops. But in my own case, I filled this jar up and that is how I want it. So make sure to just pour as much water as you want, depending on how concentrated or less that you want it. After adding water, go ahead and cover it and set it aside. I used two plantains and I also used two jars, so I repeated the same thing with the second jar and set it aside. I left it to sit for 3 days to ferment.
3 days later.
So after 3 days, this is what it is looking like. If you want yours to ferment more, you can leave it for more than 3 days, depending on what exactly you're going for. But for me, 3 days is just fine. Now it's time to sieve the plantain. Before sieving, I like to give it a little stir just to get everything to come together and also to extract more from the plantain before sieving. You can use cheesecloths or whatever you have available to sieve it. Just make sure that the plantain doesn't get into the liquid. For this part, if you used a bottle and you did not chop your plantain very tiny, it will be very difficult for it to come out from the bottle. But with this jar, it is very, very easy to pour out. So put that in mind when you are making yours so that you will know the most suitable container for you to use when processing yours. Make sure to squeeze that very, very well. I mean very well. Squeeze it out. Once you're done sieving it, go ahead and pour it into a container and your drink is ready. You just made yourself a plantain wine. This is so refreshing and yummy. Tastes almost like palm wine. You can go ahead and refrigerate it. I like to drink it chill. One thing you should also know is that the more you leave it sitting like this, the more it will continue to ferment. So if you don't want it to ferment very well, make sure you finish it up over a short period of time. Let me know if you'll be trying this in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, definitely you will also like this next one. See you.